What if everything you know about reality is only a fraction of the truth? What if consciousness is not just in you, but all around you? And what if the universe itself is trying to tell you something? Welcome to MindForge Nexus, the home of mind-blowing philosophical ideas, deep thinking, and reality-shifting concepts. We explore consciousness, the universe, metaphysics, the human mind, and the hidden truths that shape existence. If you love thought experiments, paradoxes, and ideas that challenge everything you believe, this is your new home. We're going to dive deep into questions that have fascinated humanity for centuries. Questions like, is our reality a simulation? It's a popular idea in sci-fi, but what does the science actually say? We'll look at the simulation hypothesis, exploring arguments from physicists and philosophers who suggest that the very laws of our universe might contain clues that we living inside a sophisticated computer program. Think about the pixelation of reality at the quantum level or the mathematical nature of physical laws. Could these be the fingerprints of a creator, a programmer from a higher dimension? We'll break down the theories, from Nick Bostrom's original argument to the latest ideas from string theory, making it all easy to understand. Then, we'll journey into the mystery of consciousness. What is it, really? Is it just a byproduct of complex brain activity, or is it something more fundamental to the universe, like space or time? We'll explore theories like panpsychism, the mind-bending idea that consciousness isn't unique to humans or even animals, but is a fundamental property of all matter. Imagine a rock or a star having some basic form of inner experience. It sounds crazy, but some of the world's most brilliant thinkers are taking it seriously. We'll contrast this with other theories, like integrated information theory, which attempts to measure consciousness mathematically. Is your smartphone a little bit conscious? We'll investigate. We'll also unravel some of the most famous paradoxes that tie our brains in knots. Take the ship of Theseus. If you replace every single plank of a ship over time, is it still the same ship? This isn't just a riddle. It's a profound question about identity. What makes you you? Are you the same person you were 7 years ago, given that most of your cells have been replaced? We'll apply this paradox to our own lives, our beliefs, and even our relationships. We'll explore how this ancient thought experiment continues to challenge our understanding of personal identity in a world of constant change. And what about time? We experience it as a one-way street, flowing from past to future. But what if that's just an illusion? We'll explore the block universe theory, which suggests that the past, present, and future all exist simultaneously. According to this idea, your entire life from birth to death is already laid out like frames in a movie reel. We'll discuss the physics behind this concept, including Einstein's theory of relativity, and ponder the implications for free will. If the future is already written, do our choices even matter? Or is our sense of making decisions just part of the script? This isn't just abstract physics. It's a question that gets to the very heart of what it means to be human. We'll journey through ancient wisdom, too. Many old philosophies, from Stoicism to Buddhism, contain powerful ideas that are incredibly relevant today. We'll explore how the Stoic practice of negative visualization can make you more grateful and resilient, or how the Buddhist concept of no self aligns surprisingly well with modern neuroscience. These aren't just historical footnotes. They are practical toolkits for living a better, more meaningful life. We will show you how to apply these ancient ideas to navigate the chaos of the modern world, find inner peace, and build mental fortitude. From paradoxes that bend logic, to metaphysics that break the limits of science, to philosophical ideas so powerful they can transform the way you see existence. This is where we connect the dots between quantum physics, neuroscience, and ancient philosophy to reveal a bigger picture of reality. We're not just sharing facts, we're providing you with new lenses to view the world, to question your assumptions, and to unlock a deeper understanding of yourself and your place in the cosmos. Our goal is to make these complex topics accessible and exciting, without dumbing them down. This channel is for the curious, the thinkers, the seekers. It's for anyone who has ever looked up at the stars and wondered, what is all this for? We believe that asking big questions is what makes us human, and exploring them together is how we grow. We're building a community of open minds dedicated to expanding our collective understanding. Each video is a starting point for a bigger conversation, and we want you to be a part of it. We'll read your comments, feature the most thought-provoking questions, and build this journey together. This is where logic meets mystery, where ideas become gateways, and where your mind becomes your greatest frontier. Hit subscribe now, join the Nexus, and forge your mind into something limitless. MindForge Nexus. Unlock the truth.